Hi guys, Ruggero here from One Foot in the Door, and today we are looking at a brilliant performance by the late Dame Diana Rigg in Game of Thrones. Okay, it's very unfortunate that she passed away recently, and I would like to give this little homage to her because she was truly an amazing performer. So let's jump right in.
Gods, boy, that's enough. We're not in a tavern.
Pardon me,
There's no
lady.
need to speak. Are there any figs? Fetch some. I always take figs mid-afternoon. They help move the bowels.
Okay, right away we can totally see her attitude and her character just from these few lines here. Of course, a lot of it is in the writing, but the writing is often shaped around the performer, especially when the performer is so well established and strong as she was. Notice how casually she delivered that line about helping the movement of the bowels, which is of course something slightly unpleasant to talk about, but she uses that to make Tyrion uncomfortable, right? Let's see how she gets on.
To what do I owe this summons?
Thank you for seeing me, my lady. I had hoped we might discuss a few financial matters.
I climbed all those steps to discuss financial matters.
It's the royal wedding. I'm told you had a hand in planning it.
Naturally.
It's shaping up to be a very involved affair. The word extravagant has been used.
What good is the word extravagant if it can't be used to describe a royal wedding?
I understand that.
Good.
But as master of coin, it falls upon me to calculate the cost for the crown. As of now, it's a huge expense.
And?
I love the little flutter of the eyelids. It's so coquettish and cheeky, like, and? Just brilliant.
And we're at war, Lady Oleanna.
Oh, I'd nearly forgotten.
Yes, and maintaining supply
I
lines.
can't think how it slipped my mind. What is it, 12,000 infantrymen the Tyrell family has supplied? 1,800 mounted lancers? 2,000 in support. Provisions, so this city might survive the winter. 1 million bushels of wheat, 500,000 bushels each of barley, oats, and rye. 20,000 head of cattle, 50,000 sheep. You don't have to lecture me about wartime expenses. I'm quite familiar with them.
And we
The beautiful thing of what she's doing here is how much she's taking control of the dynamics of the situation. Again, part of it is the writing, of course, but notice how she used this list to push Tyrion more and more and more. She's using each one of those facts as a punch. She's making a point with each one of them. She's mounting them up on top of him to stop him from answering back, from saying anything. She's totally owning this conversation.
We are so grateful for your contributions, which are necessary for the preservation of the realm.
As is a royal wedding. The people are hungry for more than just food. They crave distractions. And if we don't provide them, they'll create their own. And their distractions are likely to end with us being torn to pieces. A royal wedding is much safer, wouldn't you say?
I would.
And traditionally paid for by the royal family. I was told you were drunk, impertinent, and thoroughly debauched. You can imagine my disappointment at finding nothing but a browbeaten bookkeeper.
Love that slight change of tone here when, she's made her point. She's already won the scene. She's totally won the scene at this point. He has conceded defeat. He has admitted that, yes, it is the royal family that traditionally has to pay for this stuff. And that's it. And she, weirdly enough, seems to be throwing him a little bone here whilst insulting him. She softens up. She softens up. She's a bit nicer now. She makes a joke out of him, but she does make a joke. And that's nice.
Where did you go for them? Volantis?
My lady,
Oh, very well. I won't have it said the House Tyrell refuses to play its part. We'll pay for half the expenses, and the celebrations will go on as planned. Is that sufficient?
quite sufficient. Thank you.
Very good, then. That's settled. Good day.
amazing, just amazing. And you totally get the feeling that she had already decided to do this at the very beginning of the scene, maybe even before the scene started. Like, it was never in question if she would help. But she wanted to just toy with him. And the fact that now she's so abrupt and, you know, to the point, is like, she's had her fun. She's had her fun, that's it. And she doesn't need to sugarcoat it any longer. She's enjoyed herself, and that's it. Now she's going. And that is just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, as always. And if you have any requests for any other great pieces of acting, then please do let me know as well. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.